We all know that feeling, a nasty sunburn after a day at the beach, or maybe your skin's feeling a little dry. Aloe vera gel to the rescue, right? This plant has been a go-to for soothing skin problems for ages. But did you know people are drinking aloe vera juice these days too? That's right, but even natural stuff can cause problems when used too much. And when it comes to aloe vera juice, one of the biggest concerns is its potential impact on our liver. Let's separate fact from fiction and make informed choices about your health. You may ask, how exactly can aloe vera juice potentially harm the liver? It all boils down to a few key things. First off, aloe vera contains certain compounds, like anthraquinones, which have been linked to liver problems. Anthraquinones are natural laxatives, which is why aloe vera juice is often used for constipation. But here's the catch. When taken in excess, these compounds can irritate the liver. Just to remember that our liver's function is to be like a filter, cleaning out all the toxins and waste from our blood. It also helps digest food, store energy, and even fights infections. Pretty impressive, right? Imagine constantly poking your liver with a stick, in our case with anthraquinones. They're bound to get annoyed. Some people are more sensitive to substances like aloe vera than others. This means that what might be a moderate amount for one person could be overwhelming for another. It's like having different spice tolerances. Some can handle the heat, while others start sweating after one jalapeno. The bottom line? While aloe vera juice might seem natural and harmless, it's important to be aware of its potential impact on the liver. So, how do we know if our liver is struggling with all this aloe vera action? Well, our bodies have a clever way of telling us through liver enzymes. These enzymes are like little messengers that signal when something's up. When the liver gets inflamed or damaged, it releases more of these enzymes into the bloodstream. Doctors can then spot these elevated levels through a simple blood test. Several studies have explored the link between aloe vera consumption and liver enzymes. Some have shown a potential connection between long-term use of aloe vera, particularly in high doses, and elevated liver enzymes. This doesn't necessarily mean everyone who drinks aloe vera juice will experience liver problems, but it highlights the importance of moderation. So, how much aloe vera juice is too much? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The safe dosage can vary depending on factors like age, health conditions, and individual sensitivity. If you're considering adding aloe vera juice to your diet, it's best to start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. It's also a good idea to chat with your doctor, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. They can help determine a safe dosage for you. While dosage plays a significant role in aloe vera's potential impact on the liver, there are other factors at play too. For instance, pre-existing liver conditions can make individuals more susceptible to the adverse effects of aloe vera. Certain medications can also interact with aloe vera, potentially increasing the risk of liver problems. It's like mixing different cleaning products. Sometimes the combination can be toxic. That's why it's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding aloe vera juice to your routine, especially if you have any health concerns or are taking medications. They can help assess your individual risk factors and advise you accordingly. Here's another layer to the aloe vera story. It's not just the juice that can potentially cause problems. Aloe vera leaves contain a substance called aloe latex, which is a yellow sap found just beneath the plant's skin. Aloe latex is a potent laxative and can have much stronger effects on the body than aloe vera juice. In fact, most of the concerns about aloe vera's impact on the liver stem from products containing aloe latex. The good news is that many commercially available aloe vera juices are decolorized, meaning they have had the aloe latex removed. However, it's always best to double-check the label just to be safe. Look for products that specifically state decolorized or purified aloe vera juice. So, we've talked about the potential risks, but what about the benefits? Aloe vera does have some fantastic properties and many people enjoy it without any problems. The key is to consume it safely and responsibly. First and foremost, always choose reputable brands of aloe vera juice. Look for products that are organic, certified, and clearly state the aloe vera content and whether it's decolorized. Start with a small dose, such as a tablespoon or two, and gradually increase it if needed. Listen to your body. If you experience any digestive discomfort, stop using it and consult your doctor. And remember, aloe vera juice is not a magic potion. It's essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle alongside its consumption. That means eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and staying hydrated. Our bodies are incredibly intelligent. They have ways of telling us when something's not right. It's crucial to pay attention to these signs, especially when introducing new substances like aloe vera juice into our diet. If you experience any of the following symptoms after consuming aloe vera juice, stop using it and consult your doctor immediately. Yellowing of the skin or eyes, jaundice, dark urine, nausea or vomiting, loss of appetite, abdominal pain or swelling, and fatigue. These symptoms could indicate a problem with your liver, and it's essential to seek medical attention promptly. So, there you have it, the lowdown on aloe vera juice and its potential impact on liver health. It's a mixed bag, really. Aloe vera has soothing properties, but it's not without risks, especially when it comes to our liver. The key takeaway: moderation is key. Just like with most things in life, too much of a good thing can be bad. Enjoy aloe vera juice in moderation, choose high-quality products, and always listen to your body. And if you have any concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. Stay safe and informed.